The autopsy for social media influencer Slickianna 1000 revealed that she passed away due to strangulation. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An autopsy performed on the body of social media personality Slickianna 1000 has identified strangulation as the cause of death. A senior investigator told news reporters that the autopsy was conducted on Saturday. He states that investigators are now making arrangements to question Rashawn Patterson, the man listed as a person of interest in the suspected killing of the female. Miss Thousand's body was found floating in the sea in Reading in St. James by a group of beachgoers on October 21st. Patterson was captured during a police operation in Hanover last week. He has since been charged with abduction and assault with intent to rob in relation to a 2018 incident in Duhaney Park, St. Andrew. It's not immediately clear when the police will be laying charges against the man that was listed as a person of interest, Rashawn Patterson, who was captured last week, and the police believe that he can shed some light about what happened to the female. However, in the meantime, Rashawn Patterson, the man that was listed as a person of interest and now taken into custody by the police, has declared his innocence in a recent interview conducted by a popular vlogger. The individual, who was listed as a person of interest, stated that he had nothing to do with what happened to the female and that the police have the wrong person in custody. However, based on information reaching Links 007 TV News, Rashawn Patterson was the last one spotted with the female the night before her body was discovered. During the extended interview, Rashawn Patterson shared a number of text messages that he would have shared with Slickianna the night she went missing. However, many believe that this is just a sham in order to derail the investigators and lead them in a different path. Also in the interview, it was revealed that Rashawn Patterson was just meeting Slickianna for the very first time. It's out of this information shared on social media by the man listed as a person of interest and now the one taken into custody by the police that many believe that he's the one responsible for the crime. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.